I think this should be a huge segment. I'd love to do a whole show with both of you guys or a seminar. This is really important stuff here because it's bigger than just this case. And I believe, and I'm giving you Bob Bianchi's 30-plus years of in the criminal justice system, that we have moved towards criminal claims adjusting. And what I mean by that is it's all about moving beans and dispositions from one jar to the disposition jar, and trials are no longer emphasized. The consequences of them can be very draconian, and then you get what we're seeing here, and boy, I can feel it. And it may be a little different than my typical prosecutorial posture that you probably see I'm more aligned to, but I don't like what I'm listening to. Dumping 4 terabytes of information onto the defense lawyer. What I'm hearing is a defense lawyer struggling, a defense lawyer who has to give up her cases, a defense lawyer who has to try to hire experts, a defense lawyer who has to get special equipment. Now, by the way, mind you, I'm sorry, I'm starting to get like irritated. This is a lawyer trying to do this. What about a client in a jail and his access to information and discovery and his ability to be able to look through the case? Because they're making strategic decisions throughout a trial. You do that throughout every little nanosecond and nano piece of evidence, especially when it comes to the point, should I testify or not testify? I'm literally living a case right now where I can feel the pain, where the prosecutors dump on you and you have to sift through and figure out, what is this piece of evidence? Where's it from? Who collected it? What's its relevance? What's its context? And I'm sorry, I think this is happening way too much in this system, where all the prosecutor says is, and I was one, trust me, and I believe in fairness, and every conviction I secured was done the right way, the fair way, the honorable way, and I would never dump 4 terabytes of information onto a defense lawyer and expect that they're going to figure it out. I don't know whether it was done by design or by accident, but no matter how you look at it, I don't care how bad this defendant is. Really, I don't know much about this case, to be honest with you. No one should have to defend themselves under these circumstances. And I know PCRs are limited and fine line, and they're not a redo. But when you're telling me that a lawyer's got to give up all her cases because she can't handle this case, I'm seeing some bad velocity here, and this stuff needs to end. And this is like a textbook example of the way the criminal justice system should not operate. And not only defense lawyers, I'm talking about prosecutors. You should be bigger and better than this.